In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some beautiful sweet scones that are perfect for an afternoon tea. Place into a mixing bowl 250 grams of self-raising flour, 40 grams of caster sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 65 grams of cold diced unsalted butter. Rub the butter into the flour mixture using your fingers and thumbs until it resembles a breadcrumb-like consistency. Make a well in the centre and crack in 1 egg. Add a splash of milk and then mix the ingredients together to bind. You may need to add a little bit more milk, but just do this gradually, a little splash at a time, because you don't want the mixture too wet. You just want to add enough until the mixture comes together. Once the mixture forms a dough, set it to one side and lightly flour a workbench. Place the dough onto it and then lightly flour a little bit on top. Roll the dough out using a rolling pin until it's 1.5 to 2 inches thick, and then cut out using a cookie cutter of your choice. I'm using a nice small one, and this one will get me roughly around 9 scones, but you can do larger ones if you prefer. An important tip when cutting is to dip your cutter into some flour first. This just stops it from sticking. And then when you press down, make sure that you press it evenly. So not so it's one side goes in first, make sure it goes down all straight at the same time. This helps create nice strands at the side that will help it rise evenly in the oven. Place the cut out scones onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Cover them with a clean tea towel and leave them to rest for 20 minutes. Before placing them into the oven, glaze the tops with some beaten egg and then sprinkle with a little bit of caster sugar. Place them into a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius fan for 18 to 20 minutes. Leave the scones to cool on a cooling rack before cutting in half and finishing them with some clotted cream and strawberry jam. Let me know, do you put the cream first or the jam? I'm not too sure. And then if you like, you can finish them with some fresh strawberries. I hope you enjoy making these beautiful little sweet scones, and if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.